I'm E. Afshin from grade 8. Elan Voice for the month of November 2024. Editor Ms. Niraimadi Johnson ma'am. Designer Mr. Selvakumar sir. Here are some of the potential titles and articles for this month. As we celebrate National Education Day on 11 November in honor of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, I am reminded of the incredible journey of our school has taken together, especially this year as we mark our silver jubilee 25 years of dedicated service to education and empowerment. At Neelan School, we believe that education is more than just academics. It's about fostering curiosity, creativity, and a lifelong love of learning. We have discovered many hidden gems. One such student is Bhuvan M. from grade 5, who has amazed all us with his remarkable ability to recite Tirukural while simultaneously solving a Rubik's cube and skillfully moving a ring around his waist. This impressive feat showcases Bhuvan's exceptionally memory, focus, hand-eye coordination, and multitasking skills. Happy National Education Day. Sincerely, in the service of education, Mr. Neelan Arasu sir. Teachers' Day celebrations. On September 5th, our school commemorated Teachers' Day with grandeur and gratitude. The event honored our dedicated teachers for their tireless efforts in shaping young minds. Our school chairman, Mr. Neelan Arasu sir, addressed the gathering, presenting traditional shawls, plaques, and gifts to each teacher, acknowledging their selfless service. Senior principal delivered an inspiring speech highlighting the significance of teachers in students' lives. A few teachers shared heartful experience, expressing their joy and appreciation for the recognition. Principal Ma'am's message: constructive interference is education. This month, November 14th, is the Children's Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister of independent India. A very warm, happy Children's Day to you all, dear children. You all must feel proud that a remarkable personality's birthday is celebrated for you only because it is strongly believed that you are the nation's pride. Your Gen Z children born and growing up with the internet, smartphones, smart TVs, and social media. It has become unavoidable nowadays. As you are raised in the modern era, comfortable with technological products, as you may be fascinated on smart things, must pursue the skills of technology. Dear children, you have treasure in your hands. Many sources are available at one click, can pursue positivity and get vast information on topics for learning effectively. It makes you more interactive with peers and teachers on many complex topics. Try not to be distracted but ignite your internal pulse. Learn, experience, and gain technological knowledge productively. With regards, Ms. D. Premila Ma'am, Principal. Rediscover the joy of childhood. November 14 marks the birthday of our beloved Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a champion of children's rights and education. As we celebrate this special day, let's take a moment to reflect on what makes childhood truly magical. Take time out from your gadgets and immerse yourself in nature. Feel the warmth of the sun, the coolness of the rain, and the softness of the mud. Build sandcastles, chase butterflies, and play hide and seek with friends. On this Children's Day, we urge you to explore yourself, your passions, and your dreams. Connect with nature and appreciate its beauty. Rediscover the joy of simple, carefree moments. Miss Niraimadi Johnson, ma'am, Head Department of English, Principal. Puja celebration. Under the guidance of our chairman, Mr. Neelan Arasu sir, and our beloved Amma, our school community came together to celebrate the auspicious puja on October 12th. The event began with fervor and devotion as teachers and staff gathered to participate in the rituals. The entire school community actively participated, showcasing unity and harmony. Travel idioms. Take the road less traveled. choose an unconventional path, on the move, traveling or constantly active, reach the end of the road, conclude a journey or project. Compiled by Miss Indumadi Ma'am, HOD, Department of Commerce. Young Achievers Shine. Congratulations to our Rubesh grade 7 and our Pavitra grade 4 on their outstanding achievement in the state level Tirukural competition. Their exceptional talent and dedication to reciting 1300 in Tirukural have earned them well-dressed recognition. Awards and accolades. Our Rubesh was felicitated by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. Our Pavitra received the honor from District Collector. Both students received a cash prize of rupees 15,000 each. We wish our Rubesh and our Pavitra continued success in their academic and extracurricular pursuits. The Sunset by A. Natania 4A3. நிறுவினர் உ நீலன் ஐயாவின் புதிய தொடர் ஹிட்லரின் மறுபக்கம். ஒருவரது வாழ்க்கையை பற்றி படித்தால்தான் அவரை பற்றிய நல்லது கெட்டது தெரிய வரும். Inspiring entrepreneurship, the Ratan Tata way. From October 17 to 23rd, our school's Department of Commerce embarked on an inspiring journey, inspiring entrepreneurship, the Ratan Tata way. The campaign highlights including grade 11th and 12th G3 initiation to spearhead the campaign. Grand finale, signature campaign. On the concluding day, October 28, we took a significant step. We have requested the President of India to declare October 9th as Indian Entrepreneurship Excellence Day. To support this initiative, a 500 signature campaign was conducted. சிறுகதை திரு தா செல்வகுமார் சார். தமிழ் துறை. கதையின் தலைப்பு ஆகா கடையின் நீதி, குப்பையை கண்ட இடத்தில் கொட்டாதீர்கள். Thank you.